Hey, take this free tutorial. It's for you.
Hey everyone, Nova's back. Today I'm showing you how to make these 3D cut effects for free using Grok and Nano Banana 2. It's just a simple blueprint prompt that you can copy-paste to get this look every time. Let me show you how it works. First, we're heading into Gemini. So, I'm using this specific system prompt to turn Gemini into a generator. It takes any simple idea and builds out the technical details for the image and the motion at the same time. The prompt ensures we keep that signature high-fashion aesthetic and the extra thick white border. It uses a fisheye lens setting to create the depth needed for the 3D effect, and most importantly, it writes a custom motion prompt so the character actually interacts with the frame. Now, I just give it this idea. Prada Neon Cyber, Tokyo Pulse with a Chrome digital camera. Gemini instantly gives me the image prompt and the exact motion instructions I need. Now, just head over to Google Flow and create a new project. Choose the Nano Banana 2 model. It gives you completely free generations to play with. Paste in that image prompt we just got from Gemini and let it run. You'll get 4 variations. The key here is to pick the one with the strongest border break potential. You're looking for the image where the object, in this case our Chrome camera, is already pushing close to the edge of the inner frame and sitting deep inside that thick white border. Once you've found the best one, just download it to your device. Your favorite image? Great! Now, before we animate it, we need to do one quick trick in a photo editor to give that 3D effect room to actually move. Open your image in any editor. The goal here is to increase the white border so the model has space to break out. Okay, let me do it quickly. Once you have that extra white space all around the edges, export it as a high-quality PNG. Now we're ready for the motion. Now for the animation workflow. In Grok, go to Settings and then Behavior to turn off automatic video generation. If you leave this on, it'll waste your free generations the second you upload an image before you've even added a prompt. With that off, click Imagine. This is where we'll upload our still frames and actually bring them to life. Now, just upload that image we adjusted in Canva and paste in the motion prompt Gemini gave us. You can always tweak these manually for your specific design, but the golden rule is to keep that border locked in place. For this one, our prompt tells the model to aggressively lean forward and push that Chrome camera right into the white space. The contrast between that frozen poster frame and the moving model is what creates the 3D pop-out effect. Once the video is done, click Upscale to sharpen it. As soon as that HD tag appears at the top of the video, it's ready. Just hit download and you're set. Let's check out some results. This 3D border break effect is perfect for TikTok or Reels because it acts as a total scroll-stopping hook. It literally looks like the model is stepping out of the screen. What's cool is how versatile this is. Even though we're doing luxury fashion today, you can remix the brands, locations, and props to keep everything fresh. The framework works for almost anything. That was a quick wrap on this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to try this yourself, I've left the blueprint prompt in the description. Thanks for hanging out today. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.